Our next task is to create a header that is split into two parts, and I am going to have you rebuild my web page, and you can see up here that this part at the top corresponds to the header, and it is split into two parts. We have the left side, which is holding the title, and then we also have the right side here, which is holding the links. And so that's what we're going to build right now in our web page. So let's come back here to Aptana Studio 3 and go into the body and delete delete all of the code here. Let's go ahead and add a div into the top, and we're going to add the title of our website. And of course, you're going to name this whatever it is you choose to name your website. If you can't think of anything, then you can also add code creative and change that at a later time. So there we go. We got two divs, and up here in the top I am going to put my links. And if you remember, we need to make links the exact same way on every web page. So if you go to any website and you look at the source code, like for example, this is a website that talks about Cookie Clicker. And if you look at the source code, the way you do it is you right click and you say view page source. This shows you the HTML code, and you can look in here, and if you look for the links, you'll notice that they are all have a UL tag and an LI tag. And so that's what we did in our first web page, and that's what we're going to do here in our second web page. And the way that goes is it goes UL, that stands for unordered list. Unordered meaning the bullet points are going to be black, right? If you did OL, then they would be numbered, right? So the bullet points would start with the 1, 2, 3. But we're going to do UL, and in here we're going to say LI. And the number of LIs you're going to put corresponds to the number of links your website's going to have. So let's go ahead and say /UL. So beginning of our links, end of our links, and here our first page is going to be home, our second page might be Cookie Clicker, and the last page could be contact us. And I'll go ahead and save that, and then we're going to run it. So I'll hit the run button, and here we go, right? I have my title and I have my links that are set up as bullet points.